Hello and welcome to the Django GraphQL Query Fundamentals course. My name is Xander. This tutorial is part of a whole course playlist available for free on YouTube. For deeper learning, the extended course is available for purchase at Udemy. Now you'll find all the resources and links in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for weekly promotions, discounts, and Udemy course giveaways. Before we start the setup, let's talk a little bit about what is GraphQL and Strawberry. Well, GraphQL is a query language for APIs. It allows us to ask for exactly the data we need, nothing more, nothing less. So unlike the REST approach, if you are familiar with REST, where you have to have multiple endpoints for different views of your data, GraphQL provides a single endpoint and lets the client decide what data to request. Therefore, it's structured, efficient, and easy to work with once you understand the basics. So what exactly is Strawberry? Well, Strawberry is a lightweight Python library for building GraphQL APIs. It's built with Python's modern features in mind, like type hints and declarators, and it integrates cleanly with Django. Strawberry has multiple integrations, Django just being one of them. Here on the left-hand side in the Strawberry documentation, we can see a whole list of different options, whether you want to use it with Django's, channels, Fast API, or Flask, and many more. So we're going to use Strawberry to define our schemas, write queries, and connect them to our models. So in short, GraphQL gives us a better way to handle data in APIs over, for example, REST, and Strawberry gives us the tools to make that work smoothly inside of Django.